it's Amanda with LIGHWEIGHT, and today I'm going to show you a beautiful mascara that volumizes my lashes and makes my makeup look so much better. This is the Epic Lash Lengthening and Curling Mascara by Bodyography. What I love about this mascara is that my eyelashes look natural and at the same time with volume. The color is black. It comes with a double-sided comb one that is perfect because even if I apply 2, 3, or 4 coats, it doesn't look clumpy, and that's something that I really like, that it doesn't look clumpy. I don't regret buying this mascara. It's really good if you want your lashes to have volume and at the same time you want them to look natural. This mascara is perfect. This one is the Epic Lash Lengthening and Curling Mascara by Bodyography. It's really good and I really recommend it. That's my point of view.